Hello guys, here as you can see we do have the ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge, and I'm going to show you how to configure the carpet cleaning settings, the behavior, etc. At first, tap this gear icon over here in the top right corner and tap carpet cleaning setting. As you can see, here we have left mop cloth mounts to vacuum carpets first. We can tap that to start that, and we have here carpet boost, deep carpet cleaning and carpet boost. Or we do have here left mop cloth mounts to vacuum carpets, with mop cloth mounts when encountering carpets to vacuum them only, and we do have, as you can see here, the same two options, deep carpet boost and deep carpet cleaning. Apart from that, here we have the behavior if you want to avoid them. So, suitable for low to medium pile carpets, the robot will avoid carpets altogether. Cross. Suitable for doormats or carpets. The robot will only cross them when necessary, web them up, close lifted. Or ignore. Suitable for environments where there is no carpet or where mats can be mopped, for example, rubber mats. And that's how it works. Select it up to your own preferences and the flat or house, of course. Goodbye.